This light's not working on this building. Let's see if you can see the problem. Oh, look at that. It's leaking. And the light is leaking. I think it must be leaking juice. I mean, that must be the problem. Yeah, that's got to be the problem. Oh, the juice is leaking out. Wow, look at that. So let this be a lesson that you have to drain your lights of the juice every once in a while, or it gets too much and it won't work. See? See how dirty the fluid is? You have to change the fluid in your light every now and then. See, you can check your levels right here. Check your fluid level there. You see, it's about half full, but it's a little dirty, so we're just going to change it, get this light working again. Let's see. These are the longest plug bolts in the world. You know, because it's holding the plug together, I guess. Oh my goodness. And I'm not left-handed. Yeah, see? The levels are off. We'll see what had happened was. You gotta shake up the water a little bit. Juice level. Anyway, so there's your lesson today.